Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Fallout 4 is having an issue with crashing. It is not launching or won't launch, freezing, structuring, lagging, low FPS drop, stuck on loading screen, and even many more issues which is happening and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about we have to start with a simple restart. So to do this, just go over here in the start icon and click over here in the power icon. Go over in this particular icon and do a restart. Once the restart is done, we just need to check whether the issue is solved or not. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix a lot of trouble. So we need to start with a simple restart. Next one is all about what we need to do. We just need to launch the game from the installation folder, not from the Steam. So right now we are in the Steam and we tried to launch the game. It will not be working. So we need to try to launch the game from the installation folder. So to do this, what we need to do is we just need to launch the game. So what we need to do is just go over here, right click, go to the properties. Now from here, go to installer file and just click on the browse. And if we go over here in the file explorer, as you can see, this PC, local disk E. So this is where the game is installed. So the game is not installed on B or C. So this is the installation folder. So if you want to go to the installation folder, first we need to close the Steam. And we need to launch the game from the installation folder. So go to this PC, go to local disk E, Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, we need to go over here. And what we need to do is we just need to go for Fallout 4. And now from here, we need to launch the application. So this is the application. So we need to launch the game from here. So this is did work out for many users we have to try. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to run the game. And we need to run the game as an administrator, and we need to run the game in the compatibility mode. So to do this, just right click over here, go to show more option, go to the properties. Now from here, go to compatibility, click on run this program in the compatibility mode. This is the first step. You have to try either Windows 7 or you have to try with Windows 8. And you have to go for apply, and also you have to click on run this program as an administrator. Go for apply, go for OK, and try launch the game. Now go back to the Steam, try launch the game, and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next one. That is all about we need to delete the saved game file. So just go over here in the file explorer. Now from here, go to documents, navigate to my games. So here you will be having a folder for Fallout 4. So if you find the folder for Fallout 4, just delete the respective folder. And keep in mind, you will be losing all the progressions if you do so. So once you remove, just close everything, go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to move to the next step. That is all about we need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here, search for the control panel. We have to click on this one. And what we need to do is just go over here, system and security, go to Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow network feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to Fallout 4. So keep scrolling down and you can see the Fallout 4 is added. And you have to make sure that you have to put a check on both the boxes. That's why you have to put a check on public and private. You should be doing on both the boxes. And once you put a check on both the boxes, you are fine with it. So if you don't have the game, we need to add it by default. Once you add the game, you have to make sure one thing that you have to put a check on both the boxes. Now once afterwards, just close this and go back and try launch the game, and you have to check. Next one, we need to unplug all the USB devices. So if any external devices, joysticks might be connected, so just unplug everything. Once everything is successfully unplugged, we just need to try launch the game, and you have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to move to the next one. That is all about we need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here, search for system configuration. We just need to click on this one. And we just need to go over here in the services, put a check on disable all, go to hide all Microsoft services, go to apply and go for OK. Once everything is done, just go for restart. Once the restart is done, just try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties. Now from here, go to enable the Steam overlay while in game. So right now, as you can see, enable the Steam overlay while in game. This is turn it on. You have to turn this off and try to launch the game. Once afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, we need to give the commands in the launch option. So the first command, what we need to do is we just need to try with VX11. If BX11 is not working, we have to try with BX12. If BX12 is also not working, try with V3, B2. We have to try with V3, B2, and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, just remove all these commands and keep it near. Close this and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to move to the next one. That is all about we need to close all the overlay and overclocking application. Just go over here, right click, go to the task manager. And right now, as you can see, if you find the game over here, Fallout 4, if you find the Fallout 4, not only Fallout 4, if you find, for example, overclocking and overlay applications such as Reward Unit, MSA Afterburner, Discord and all those things, those should be removed from here. So if you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of things running in the background. So all these things running in the background at the same time, when you are launching these kind of heavy games, will be having the crashing issue. So just remove everything. Once everything is removed, just close this, go back and try launching the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, we need to next one. That is all about. We need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for graphics settings, just click on this one. Now from here, we have to go over here, click on add desktop app. Now from here, we just need to go to local disk E, Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, go to Fallout 4, select this one and go to add. So once game is added, what we need to do is we just need to go over here and select this one. Over here, as you can see, it has been set into GPU preferences. Change this to high performance. And once this change into high performance, close this and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to after running the game on dedicated graphics card, what we need to do is we just need to increase the virtual memory. Just go over here, search for view advanced system setting, click on this one, go to the advanced tab, go to the settings, advanced once again, go to change. Make sure you put a check over here on this boxes and make sure that you have set into the installed game. So that is in my case, it is E. Go to the custom size, set the value for initial size, that is 1.5 times the total RAM, and the maximum size is 3 times the total RAM. So we need a calculator, so just type the calculator. So first we need to type the RAM of computer, 16 GB, multiplied with a constant value 1024, and we have to multiply it with 1.5, that brings you 2456, that we have to copy and paste it. Make sure we have to type once again 16 GB multiplied with 1024, and we have to multiply it with 3, that is 14 and 152. So copy this and we have to paste it. So once it has been set, just set everything okay, and once afterwards try launch the game and we have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to the NVIDIA and to the AMD. The NVIDIA users just go over here to select everything. Like if you're on the GeForce, select GeForce. If you're on the GeForce 16 series, select 16 series. If you're on the GeForce GTX 1650, you have to select this one. And if you're on the Windows 11, select this one and go for find. And now, as you can see, once afterwards, what we need to do is we just need to go over here. Once afterwards, just go over here, and if the system is based on 566.36, we have to download this one. And if the system is based on AMD, just go over here, select everything, and we have to go over here and we need to go to submit. And once afterwards, if you're on the Windows 11, download this one, and if you're on the Windows 10, download this one. We can also try installing the Microsoft Visual C++, and once afterwards, just go over here. If the system is based on x64, download this one. If the system is based on x86, download this one and install. Restart is a mandatory and try launching the game. Last two or couple of steps, which is very important. Even trying all these things, if the issue is still there, you can try this one. That we just need to go over here, go to the right click, go to the properties, go to installer file and just verify the game file. So this is actually a very important step. And this is going to fix a lot of issues such as the game has gone through many issues. If any kind of files are corrupted and if any files are missing and all these kind of issues happening, you'll be having the trouble with these. So it is quite important that we just need to unplug all these things. And at the same time, we need to verify these game files. So it is going to take a bunch of time. And once afterwards, I'll be sharing you a bunch of steps that can be done. And once VRAMs are successfully validated, we just need to close this and try launching the key. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And any doubts can be asked in the comment section. And don't forget to visit our website gamesres.com. That's it. Bye bye.